Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today as we step into my happy place, the garden. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a sunny windowsill, I truly believe everyone can experience the joy of gardening. And today I'm sharing 5 reasons why I think you should give it a try. So grab a glass of sweet tea and let's get our hands dirty. Gardening is good for the soul, but did you know it's also good for the body? It's an activity that combines the best of both worlds, offering mental peace and physical exercise. It's true. All that digging, planting, and weeding is a wonderful way to get your heart rate up and your muscles working. Each task in the garden, from turning the soil to planting seeds, engages different muscle groups, providing a full-body workout. And the best part is, it doesn't feel like exercise because you're surrounded by the beauty of nature. The vibrant colors, the fresh air, and the sounds of birds chirping make it a delightful experience. But the benefits go beyond the physical. Gardening has been proven to reduce stress and boost your mood. Studies have shown that spending time in green spaces can lower cortisol levels, which helps in managing stress. There's something so grounding about getting your hands in the soil and connecting with the earth. The tactile sensation of the soil and the act of nurturing plants can be incredibly therapeutic. It's like therapy, but with prettier blooms. The sense of accomplishment you get from seeing your plants grow and thrive is unmatched. So if you're looking for a fun and rewarding way to improve your well-being, grab a trowel and join me in the garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, there's always something new to learn and enjoy. In a world that's constantly talking about reducing our carbon footprint, gardening offers a simple yet powerful solution. When you grow your own food, you're cutting out the transportation, packaging and processing that comes with store-bought produce. Plus, you're eliminating the need for harmful pesticides and herbicides that can harm the environment. It's about getting back to the basics, embracing the rhythm of the seasons, and knowing exactly where your food comes from. And let's be honest, nothing beats the taste of a sun-ripened tomato straight from the vine. So, by planting a seed, you're not just growing food, you're cultivating a healthier planet. Let's face it, grocery bills can be a real downer. Every trip to the store seems to end with a higher total than the last. And it can feel like you're spending more and more for less and less. But what if I told you that gardening could help you save money while putting delicious food on the table? Imagine stepping out into your backyard and picking fresh organic produce that you grew yourself. It's true. Starting your own garden is an investment, but it's one that pays off in the long run. With a little time and effort, you can transform a small patch of soil into a bountiful source of fresh vegetables and herbs. Think about it, a packet of seeds costs a fraction of what you'd pay for a few weeks' worth of produce at the store. For just a few dollars, you can grow enough food to last you the entire season. And the best part, you can grow exactly what you like to eat. So there's no more waste from those forgotten veggies wilting in the crisper drawer. You can harvest just what you need when you need it, ensuring everything is fresh and flavorful. Plus, there's something so satisfying about serving up a meal made with ingredients you nurtured from tiny seedlings. It's a rewarding experience that connects you to your food in a way that store-bought produce never can. It's like bottling up sunshine and serving it to your loved ones. The flavors are more vibrant, the nutrients are higher, and the sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. So why not give it a try? Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Have you ever noticed how much more flavorful a homegrown tomato is compared to its store-bought counterpart? The difference is astonishing and undeniable. That's because when you grow your own food, you control the quality every step of the way. From the soil you use to the water you provide, every element is in your hands. No long-distance shipping, no artificial ripening agents, just pure natural goodness. You can pick your produce at the peak of ripeness, ensuring maximum flavor and nutrition. And the difference in taste is incredible. Each bite is a burst of freshness that you simply can't get from store-bought produce. The flavors are brighter, more intense, and bursting with freshness. It's like tasting vegetables for the first time. every time, but it's not just about taste. The benefits extend far beyond the palate. Homegrown produce is also packed with more nutrients. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are more abundant in homegrown fruits and vegetables. When fruits and vegetables are allowed to ripen naturally on the vine, they retain more vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This means you're getting the most out of every bite. So, by choosing to grow your own, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're nourishing your body from the inside out. It's a holistic approach to health and well-being that starts in your own backyard. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a journey of learning and growth, literally. With each seed you sow, you're embarking on a fascinating experiment with nature. You learn about different plant varieties, soil composition, the dance of the sun and rain, and the delicate balance of the ecosystem. It's a hands-on education that teaches you patience, problem solving, and the importance of nurturing something over time. And the best part is, there's always something new to discover. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the garden is a classroom without walls, where every season brings fresh lessons and the opportunity to deepen your connection with the natural world. Well, there you have it, friends. 5 reasons why I believe everyone should experience the joy of gardening. It's a journey that nourishes your body, mind, and soul, while also benefiting the planet immensely. So find a sunny spot, get your hands dirty, and watch your garden grow beautifully. You might be surprised at what you discover, not just about gardening, but about yourself along the way. Happy growing, everyone.